There's something dead in there, I swear down. Yeah, I'm genuinely concerned, like, who the hell died in here?
1-2 ドライブ Toyota です。
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some brand new dynamic indicators in the MK5 Golf, because as you can see, we've got a black housing over there, but the actual indicator is silver, or like silver, white, whatever you want to call it. And it's not a bad look, but obviously, you know, we want the car to look, you know, top notch. So yeah, what we've done, we bought some super cheap £16 dynamic indicators, and yeah, I'm hoping it's going to make the car look much more sleek. It's going to look epic when the indicators are on. And yeah, right, so here's the packaging. I mean, as you can tell, it's pretty shit. I mean, it's not even a box, it's literally just a bag. If someone was to drop this, it probably would have broken. I guess it is what it is. Anyways, let's get it open. So right off the bag, you can literally see indicators. It does have this nice protective film over it. I mean, well, they're quite light. Quite surprised actually. Then you've got another one, same indicator, got a nice protective film, and you'll see why they've got a protective film over it, because if I just put this over here, as you can see, it literally came with all the tools you're gonna need. Look how cool that is. Didn't even mention, like, they're gonna include these. We've got a pair of pliers, these are pretty good, pretty like tough, and we've got what, a 𝗵𝗶𝗁𝗍𝗂 or something, I'm pretty sure, I can't really remember. So it is nice that they've given the tools we need, but yeah, that's why they put the protective film over it, so these don't like scratch the indicators. So yeah, pretty simple. Here's the packaging, the tools and the indicators over there, and yeah, I'm really excited to get these on. I mean, right off the bat, they're nice, they're dark, but I'm hoping they're not broken or anything, because as you can see, it came in a flimsy bag. Anyways, let's finally get this on.
Refuse to let the colonizer take over my tongue. Rap for the top of my lungs. Everybody in my hood hustle clean or dirty, soaking up game like a sponge.
So the weather's really not on my side today. It's super windy and it probably will start raining, because obviously I'm from the UK. So I'm going to try, we're going to push this down. Is he going to push down? Oh god, okay, there you go. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna pry it open if we can. Oh, well, that was super easy. There you go. Pry it open, and then if I lift the tripod up, you can see two. Oh my god, it's disgusting in here. You can see two wires, a red one and a blue one. What we want to do is take them off. Doesn't matter what order, I think. You don't have to wear gloves, but I am, because it does get, apparently these are pretty sharp. Oh, there you go, that was quite easy actually. Just pull them off. Ah, there you go. So we've taken the two wires off. Now let's go on to actually removing the housing of the light. Okay, so what I'm pretty sure we need to do, you see that tab over there and that tab over there, you want to pry these open. I'm hoping it's not going to be too hard. Come on. Oh shit. Well, as you can see, the pry bar has actually broken off. Did you look at that? Bloody hell, man. Well, yeah, I'm not happy about that. And you know what? I didn't even do it that hard as well, for flip's sake. Let's go. Well, now we've only got one side now. Oh, you know what? Let's just try. We'll try and pull it open. Oh shit. Well, it came off, but something fell off. Right, so I might have just broken something, because this thing just fell off when I pulled that off. I'm kind of scared. I'm hoping whatever it is not too important. Anyways, right, so you want to get one of these. I swear down, if this thing breaks as well, yeah, then got a bit of an issue. Okay, so what we're gonna want to do now, take off that screw and that screw, which is in a bit of a weird place. Yeah, I don't know how I want to get to that. Anyways, it's worth a shot, I guess. So I've completely forgotten. We've done the screw there and the screw there. What we haven't done actually is there's a screw. Can I show you guys? Basically, there's a screw right inside there. It's not too much of a hard spot to get it in, but yeah, we need to unscrew that, and then hopefully the indicator should just pop off. So oh shit! Right, so as you can see, we got a big problem. There's a fat spider there. Yo, what is that? It's like a giraffe or something. I've never seen that in my life. Nah, I can't do it. I can't do it. As you can see, that's intact. I've broken this, which I'm pretty upset about because I was planning on selling these, but the new ones, you know, they're obviously going to replace these, so it's not really a big deal. So yeah, I'm just really scared about the spider more than actually breaking it. Oh shit, man. Alright, I need to man up, I need to man up, I need to man up. Come on, come on, come on. Oh! Okay, nothing broke. I shot myself there. That's why I hate prying stuff, because I always get the impression that I'm breaking it, but anyways, we finally got that off. Now what we're gonna do, yo, the spider's there. You see the little guy over there? Right, oh god. So what we want to do now is just pull this off basically. Oh, that was really easy. I've been told that this can get really hard actually. Anyways, oh god, which paper is it? I've forgotten. Okay, this way. Come on. Okay, so we've done that now. Now for the exciting part, let's get the new indicators on, finally. Oh my, can I just show you guys this? Look at that. Can someone like let me know in the comments, like what the hell is that? Is that rust or something? That looks nasty, mate. I have no idea. But anyways, let's get the new indicators on, finally. Here we have the brand new indicators. Let's take off this plastic film off. Oh, that's satisfying. That's okay. And just plug it in. Please don't explode on me. Ah, okay. Right, so it's plugged in. What we want to do now is just pop it back in. Oh my god, I'm so close to that spider. Jeez. Okay, just let that sit in. Now, the moment of truth. We're gonna put the hazard lights on and see if it works. Alright, you guys ready? Oh my god, I see it. I see it. Yo, I'm gassed. That is sick. Yo. Mate, I am so gassed. I am beyond gas right now. Okay, basically what we've done, we've made this 2008 MK5 Golf into a 2022 MK5 Golf. Well, 2022 Golf. Look at that. Tell me that does not look flipping level 10,000. Look, let's go to the other side and compare it with the old ones. As you can see, look how shit that looks. That looks so last decade. I mean, we've got this whole indicator, but it's a wasted space because as you can see, only this part's lying up and the reflection over there. Oh, can we just like appreciate that for a second? We've got that, and then, oh, that looks so hard. I feel so cool. I know I say in every video, but that is just like next level cool, mate. That's another level. Anyways, what we're gonna do now is just basically put the light back together, and I bet it'll look even cooler once we put it back together. Let's turn the lights off and get started. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit loose because obviously the screws are off. Just pull it back, and now we're just gonna do it in reverse. Now we're gonna screw that one, this one, then this one, because you know, why not? Now where have I put the screws? Okay, it's in the first. Right, so because I'm an absolute idiot, I've somehow managed to drop the screw inside and now I can't get it for the life of me. Oh, hold on. Oh, come on. Flip's sake. Okay, we're gonna get this, alright? Even if it's the last thing I do. Come on. Get out. Allow it. Right. Oh my god, I'm so close. Look how close I am. Yes. Right, so what we've done, we've screwed both all the 3 screws, one there, and one there. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our housing, just pop it back on the same way we put it in. I hope I don't break anything. As you guys know, I've got a bad habit of breaking things. I mean, it popped. Look, there you go. I didn't break anything. Yo, I'm gassed. For the first time, something went smoothly. Usually, things don't go smoothly for me, you know? Now, the scary part of the whole job. I'm gonna try get this back on without breaking anything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the red wire. And the red wire, what is the red wire? The red wire goes on this one. You see, the one furthest away from you. So you wanna pop that on. Let's see how hard this is. Oh, okay, never mind. That was relatively easy. And then you're gonna put the blue one on again, on the one next to it. Now is the scary part. You're gonna try to get this on without breaking it, alright? Just put your whole hand against it so it's like it's level. Oh my god, was it that easy? Are you serious? That's piss easy, man. Come on. Yo, guys, can I introduce you to the brand new 2027 indicators?
Refuse to let the colonizer take over my tongue. Rap from the top of my lungs. Everybody in my hood hustle clean or dirty, soaking up game like a sponge. In my 20s going all out before I hit 30. Used to hear sirens and guns. Still on the block posted with the same homies. Hear the other that we run.
Right, so as you guys can see, we've finally installed the dynamic indicators and oh my god, it looks so sleek, especially with the black housing, because obviously this is a shit spec. So, you know, we came with the not coloured, whatever that's called, the door handles on the trim. But you know what, for the first time it works out, because as you can see, we've got this is actually tinted, and we've got the actual housing which is black. Oh my god, it looks so sick. It looks so sick. I mean, from the side it just looks so hard. Like, if I show you on the other side how it looks before, I haven't done it on the other side yet. Look at that, look how dead that looks. It just looks so bad. Like, we've got this one speck of light and then this mess over here. So as you can see, I'm in the process of doing this light. So I'm gonna do this light off camera. I can't really film it because as you can see, we've got our friendly neighbor over here. So yeah, once we've done this light, I shall give you guys an overview. So yeah, let's get this light done. I don't understand, like, why there's so much spider. There's 2 dead spider skeletons there. There's another one there. There's another one there. Like, could you not find any other like better place to like live? Like, why am I in wing mirrors, man? I swear down, making my life so hard. I've got like spider legs on my hands, man. What the hell? So as you guys can see, we have done both the mirrors, and now I've turned them off so you can see how it looks like without them on. And as you can see, they're no longer silver, they're black, and my god, they look so much more sleeker. Oh my god, I love it so much. Like, if you go back, like, you know what I like about them? You can't even tell, like it's undisruptive, the whole like darker theme on the windows and the black trim. I mean, obviously that's not really like part of the plan, but that's probably gonna be painted soon. If you go on the other side, as you can see, it's done as well. Nice black stealthy look. Now what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna turn the indicators on. And look at that, mate. Does that not look like OP? Like, honestly, like it makes the car look so much more like better. And boy, it only cost me around, how much did it cost me? Around £15. £15. Are you seeing this? This is like some kind of like 2027 shit. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think it's like, it's absolutely worth it. And you know what, this, believe it or not, this is probably one of the most quickest mods I've ever done. Like, it was quicker than the eyelids, the hubcaps and the 𝗰𝗵𝗻𝗁, which I find shocking because look at that. And like, it involved wires, man. But yeah, oh, let's go a bit back so you guys can see. Look at that. And you know what, it's gonna look so much cooler once we like, I am planning on getting the front lights coated so the indicators stay on. But yeah, oh, it looks so nice. It's a little weird because obviously these are shit, but you know what it is. Anyways, do let me know in the comments what you guys want me to do in the next video. I've already got a few stuff planned. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.